EC's one of the hottest days today that we've seen this season, but we're still chasing down that first triple digit. Plus, Saharan dust beginning to show itself. And I've got a couple of days in this forecast of more dust that could really pile up and actually start impacting our breathing here. Air quality. Let's take a look outside tonight. We've got a good Gulf fetch, and that's always going to carry in that Saharan dust. Remember, it moves all the way across the Atlantic, Caribbean, then into the Gulf. 86 feels like 91 this Wednesday night. As we get over the hump, it's going to be a nice, smooth downhill ride into the weekend. 71-degree dew point, south to southeast winds 17, gusting near 20. You can definitely tell with the clouds. Here it is, 97. We haven't hit many of these, usually stopping right at the normal 93 to 94. But now that we haven't seen a whole lot of rain lately, we're going to start seeing a few more of these. 97 to even 98s, 102. That's the actual high. Cotulla, Carrizo Springs hit 100. Here's the dust in the wind. Again, today, tomorrow, thin layers. But look at this plume that we're expecting to move into the Gulf over the weekend and really start pouring into South Texas by Monday night into Tuesday, and then Wednesday for sure, maybe even Thursday. So there's going to be several days next week as weather impact alerts. So far, we'll go Tuesday, Wednesday on this. The impact will definitely be the Saharan dust collecting in our atmosphere and impacting air quality. And it can really labor the breathing and daytime heating, especially anyone with any respiratory condition like COPD, even asthma. Keep that in mind with your children next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, on being outside between 2 and 7 p.m. You want to limit your outdoor activity during those heat hours. That's when it's going to be most aggravating to your breathing. Some pretty good dryness to this atmosphere with this water vapor imagery showing you the X-ray of the atmosphere, if you will. And you can tell there are some pretty good showers down along the South Padre Island up into about Houston, but really thinning out today as opposed to the last couple of afternoons. So we'll see less because of high pressure. Tomorrow morning, look at this. We start clear. And with sunshine this early, it's going to get pretty hot tomorrow. Now, the model stops us at 95. I would not be surprised if we go to 97 again tomorrow, maybe even 98. And that's mainly because we get such an early start with sunshine. It'll definitely feel like 100. I don't think we'll hit 100 just yet tomorrow. Now, looking ahead to the rain chances. The high is expected to loosen its grip a bit on Friday, about a 30% coverage on showers. But then as we get into Saturday, a little bit more widespread. And these can be some heavier downpours. And so this will be a weather impact alert too, not because we're expecting any of this to be severe, but some of this will be heavy rain at times. And of course, it's Saturday afternoon in July. And you've got plans. You maybe have a soccer game to get to, or a family reunion, a birthday party that's going to be outside. So a weather impact alert on a Saturday that's got a good chance of rain. But again, a non-severe weather day. 30% chance, though, will begin on Friday, 93. So notice the temperatures will trend down just a few degrees as the rain chances go up. And then this is the Saharan dust days, Tuesday into Wednesday, when we expect that to be the thickest. But that might be extended. I mean, looking at the forecast now, we're just going to have to wait and see how the forecast runs for next week, and we'll have a much closer look at Saturday's rain chances with tomorrow's data as well. Project Cool in its 30th year. Help us out by dropping off a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station. My man, Nate Ryan, after a quick break.